Turn off the desktop GUI environment. Go ahead and open your VMs. I have mine already open. Uh, just so you can see, this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna turn off the GUI. So that's my PLC. It's already done. So as you can see here in Kali, go to the terminal and then type sudo systemctl set default user default multi-user Kali, and then the next command is shut down now. Yeah, that's it for the VM. You have to do the same process with each one of the VMs. So I'm gonna go ahead and do this step for the HMI since I haven't done. So it's the same process, sudo user, and then shut down now. Mm, it might take some time to shut down, but basically this is it.